welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to check your BIOS version on Windows 11. So let's get started. Firstly, press Windows plus R. Then you will type msinfo32, then press enter. The system information window will open. Look for BIOS version, date on the right page. Here you will see BIOS version date. This is your BIOS version. Next method is, this is the easiest and most recommended method. So go to start menu, then you will type command prompt, click to open it. Here you will type system system info, then press enter. You will be displayed all the details. Scroll down up. Here you will see BIOS version. That's it. Knowing your BIOS version is useful before updating BIOS or troubleshooting hardware issues. And that's it. Now you know 2 simple ways to check your BIOS version on Windows. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.